My name is Chris Toro, and I own a mold remediation company in the Raleigh, North Carolina area called Elite Moisture Solutions. About a year and a half ago, we decided to expand our company to include different services such as girder repair. With limited training opportunities in the industry, I decided to seek out advice from a trusted partner in the industry, Cory. Cory was incredibly knowledgeable on the project we were estimating at the time, and not only explained how to help our clients correctly, but even sent us instructional videos to make sure we could see the repair before we performed it. Before working with Cory, we were losing estimates to other waterproofing companies because they offered foundation repair and we did not. Now that we know how to replace girders and add support jacks, it makes us a more complete company and able to adequately compete with some of our competitors. There was a project in the area we won by being able to point out that additional jack support was needed to support a girder towards the back of the crawl space. Because we caught this and none of our competitors did, it won us the project through attention to detail. If we hadn't spoken with Cory beforehand, we likely would have missed it as well. Since we went over the basics of the foundation repair industry with Cory, it gave us the confidence to put marketing dollars into foundation repair projects. If any business owners in the restoration or waterproofing industry are looking to expand their business by adding foundation repair as an additional service, they should definitely speak with Cory before getting started.